Hi, boys and girls of the internet. Sleet and freezing rain is coming down this morning. It snowed for a while. Now we're just back to freezing rain and sleet. This is the Volvo we've been driving around at the end of summer. And it's been over here in slumber for a while. I'm gonna see if we can get this old girl to fire up. Oh, we left the battery in it. How about that? I didn't know we did that. I'm gonna have to have two hands, I bet, because it's not coming off. So, you guys are just gonna have to look right there for a second. There's McDonald's cup and a Honda Civic battery out of the way. And I've got a I've got a used battery with my name on it. So let's get this guy hooked up. I found this one the other day. So it on charge overnight. Let's see, oh, we got a dinger. We've got some lights. I think our relay has messed up again. This is what was wrong with the car when we got it. Corroded relays. So let's see if that doesn't help. Oh, sweet. Don't redline a cold motor. Dude, it's okay. It's a scrapped car. If it blows up, I'll crush it. This is Red Block Jesus. That's right. This is the good motor. And it's fine, don't worry. So now, let's grab this battery. Take it with us. Because it'll probably charge back up and put it on a charger. So let's see if we can carefully get Red Block Jesus out of here. So that we can go fix that relay that's coming loose. Come on now. We're really close to this bin. There's a container behind us and a come on. We keep catching that. I wonder if I can slide it out of the way with the door. There we go. Now let's cut the wheel. outside of the bend we were catching. Now we're all good. She's out. One of the things we need to do for Red Block Jesus is find her a serpentine belt for the water pump. See, she's already warming up without that water pump. It should start back up now though. Oh yeah. Sweet. So that ran pretty well. Pretty easy too for a little Red Block. See, we kept catching this corner light on that and then the edge of the bumper. But yeah, that fired up pretty easy. So now I just got to go find a serpentine belt that we can make work on the water pump. That's for the power steering. I wonder if I can steal the belt off the AC compressor and use it to run this. I wonder why that's so loose. Something must be, a bolt somewhere must be backing out or something. Yeah, I'll figure out a way to rig something.